What's up, YouTube? Giants269 coming back at you with another break of the 2010 Bowman Jumbos. Wish me good luck. Last time I broke a box of this, I got a pretty nice hit. Actually, I had two nice hits actually. The last time I broke these products. It's my second time breaking this jumbo. 12 packs. Should be 3 autos in here. Pack number 1. Base. Green of Daniel McCutcheon. Auto. Small base. Base. See a refractor back there already. Okay, the chromes. Alexander Colomi, Charlie Leesman, Will Greenwell, Michael Wing, Julio Teheran, and so refractor of Team USA, AJ Venegas. Nothing too special there. And the gold of Zach Greinke. Pack number 2. Base, 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 all base. Oh, we got another patch card. Oh, this is the second time, honey. This is a USA patch of Brad Lincoln. It's numbered 99. Second box of hobby and second time I hit a USA patch card. Not too bad. Got an orange of Craig Clark, numbered at 250. Base. Chrome. Brian Baisley, Abner Abreu, Mitch Moreland, Alexander Torres, and we have another refractor back here of Sean Coyle from Team USA. Corey Hahn. All base. Okay. Actually, two refractors already that I got from this box. Pack 3. Base, 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 base. Rookie. Huh, we got a Buster Posey rookie. Base, base. Ryan Braun and Matt Gamble. Okay, Chrome. Matt Brown. Jay Hunal. Look at that. It's damaged card. What are you doing, Bowman Tops? Grant Green. We have a blue refractor back here. Nick Franklin. Logan Watkins. And the blue refractor is of Brett Jackson. Blue refractor numbered to 250. Brett Jackson. Got a Dustin Ackley and a Slade Heathcott base cards. So, wow, 3 packs and we got 3 refractors. 2 chrome refractors and 1 blue refractor. It's pretty good. David Ortiz. Tyler Flowers rookie. And we have a blue border of Jan Marinas. Prince Fielder and Chris Carter. Bowman Expectations. Okay, Chrome, CJ Rutherford, Yang Wen Ku. Man, this guy's everywhere. Got a Donovan Tate Chrome. Not bad. Anthony Gulls, DJ LeMahieu, and John Lamb. Aroldis Chapman base. Matt Holiday and Cole Hamels gold version. So far, nothing too spectacular. Okay. Base. Dustin Richardson, Eric Hacker. Luis Durango, Austin Jackson rookie. A lot of rookies in this pack. Blue border of Robinson Cano. Josh Beckett and I don't know who that other guy is, doesn't matter. Base, okay, onto the Chrome. Alexia Amarista, Rex Brothers, Domingo Santana, Scott Shaw, Cody Satterwhite, and Aroldis Chapman Chrome. Another one. Got a Jose Iglesias base. Starling Castro. Tops 100 prospects. Ooh, we have a Jason Hayward gold. Not bad. First time I pulled that one. Not too bad. Hayward. Jason Hayward gold. Okay. Base. Blue of Dexter Fowler, number to 520. Nothing too special there. Osvaldo Jimenez, he's smoking hot right now. 0.88 ERA as of today. Base. Okay. Chrome, Felix Dubrat, Chase Darnado, Daniel Nava, Gustavo Nunez, Byron Wiley, and we have another refractor back here of Neil Mitchell. Still haven't hit an auto yet. Base.
3 autos, right?
Yeah, Jose Iglesias tops 100.
Okay. 9 minutes.
Is it 9 minutes? I'm gonna stop this video, guys, right here, because YouTube always gives me problems. So check out video number 2 for the rest of the packs. Giants269 out.